Hey, what's up? Coach Kim here again. So today, I would like to talk about kasi medyo it's very late kasi na busy ako. But then I would just want to flex, you know. I'm very happy to share this with you guys because during the pre-camp, pre-clinic that the Batang Europa sponsored in my hometown. So, hindi lang yun sa clinic na nakatulong tayo yung Batang Europa and with the approval of my coaching staffs. So, aside from the pre-clinic, so meron ako nakita doon na bata. While Coach Jason and the rest of the coaches, we started running the drills. And then I just saw two kids, other one's my back. And he was with the ball. And I'm asking him why you don't join, it's for free. So then he said, no, because tinuro niya sa akin na nakachinilas na daw siya. Then I asked him, no, it's good if you want to join the clinic, come. So just go ahead and don't worry about that. So also the other kids. And then si Coach Clint, si Django, my former player, who's now also the head of the Batang Karkar. So sabi niya, Boss Game, giopera na ang bata kay may na muduwa, magaling daw maglaro, kaya lang mahiya dahil wala nga sapatos. So sabi ko kay Clint, remind me after the clinic, after the camp, so bilhan natin ng sapatos. So the Batang Europa sponsored it, so meron kaming fans na I intended to for the clinic. So aside na na ano natin yung clinic doon successfully, then meron din tayong natulungan na dalawang bata actually. So itong bata na to si Certifico, and right now I saw Clint tagging me the videos na may offer na yung bata at naging varsity na ngayon. So the Batang Europa is very proud to share some of the, it's about giving back, no? It's not just about sige ito winning is not, it's about how you're gonna help some of the players na who needed help, and that's also my purpose. Not just I'm coaching, not just I'm mentoring the kids and discipline them. I'm also, if I have the chance to help, especially in my hometown or some other places, if I have the power to help, so I will really try my best, because it's really the feeling of happiness when you help without expecting in return. So Dong Certifico, continue to grow, and I hope kung whatever na ma-achieve mo, you have to put your feet on the ground, nothing else. So the Batang Karkar and sila si Coach Clint and especially us, we're very happy and very proud of you. Tapos yung isa ding player si Baring ata yung apelido. So dalawa silang binigyan ng Batang Europa ng shoes. So this is the video na makikita nyo after this. Alright, congratulations Dong, and to the Batang Karkar. So soon, maybe in just a moment of time, so baka makikita natin yung Batang Karkar sa Manila. We will see. Manila qualifiers, the NBTC qualifiers, Manila Live, or whatever it is. So within my within my reach na makatulong tayo, na makaabot sila doon. So I will help. So but there's always, I never promise, even to the parents, even to the kids, even to my players, I will not promise anything, but if I have the chance to help, I will help. Okay? Ciao ciao, Coach Kim here.
Ya, Duran. Dong, na 41 na ni Dong? 41. Kaning Duran?
41 na siya, sir.
Okay na.
Ako si Rap Certifico, taga Valladolid. Salamat ko sa Batang Europa nga. Tagaan ko niya bagong sapatos niya, na ako'y masulog panduwa.
Okay.
Salamat sa Batang Europa.